Lecture 10. If statement. The if statement in Python is the simplest form of a control structure used for decision making. It executes a block of code only when a specified condition evaluates to true. The if statement starts with the keyword if, followed by a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the indented code block runs. If it is false, the block is skipped. This flowchart shows the basic logic of an if statement. If the condition is true, the code runs, otherwise, it does nothing and moves to the next instruction. Positive number check. This checks if a number is greater than 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, the condition is true, and the message positive number is displayed. Nested if statements. An if can be nested inside another if. First, it checks if the number is positive. Then, it checks if the number is even. Both conditions must be true to print the message. Practical application. In this example, try to solve real-world problem using if statement. Common mistakes. This will raise an indentation error. Always indent the code inside the if block properly. Common mistakes. A syntax error is a mistake in the way code is written, violating the rules of a programming language. It's like a grammatical error in a human language, preventing the code from being understood and executed by the computer. Task. Write a program to check if a number is even. Ask a user for their age and print a message if they are 18 or older. Check if a value is greater than 100. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and share this video.